Hello, everyone. In today's video, we will talk about Convertri. Click the link in the description to easily access the website. When it comes to internet enterprises, leveraging your sales funnel is crucial, but it can be notoriously difficult to create one. With so many features, choices, and moving pieces, you need a competent page builder to get things done. So let's dive into a review of Convertri, exploring its features and pricing to see if it's the right fit for you. Convertri is a sales funnel software primarily designed to construct landing pages, compressible pages, and sales funnels in general. It's known as the quickest funnel builder globally, since the pages made with Convertri are downloaded quicker than any other funnel maker on the internet. Convertri stands out as a unique tool, as its primary aim is to assist firms in quickly constructing a funnel page and marketing system that provides customers with an exceptional experience. Convertri's features include creating sophisticated sales funnels, mobile device optimization, developing quick-loading web pages, maintaining control over conversions, offering unlimited trade-in products, speeding up business operations, and making funnel building easy. Other benefits of Convertri include straightforward publishing, split testing capabilities, secondary accounts, funnel planners, mobile optimization, and the ability to import pages from other providers. Convertri also offers variety of ready-made templates to choose from, which are fully customizable and mobile-ready. Convertri's pricing approach is relatively reasonable, and it offers a free trial for first-time users to review the service before committing. You can opt for monthly or annual plan. Here, monthly includes 3 plans. First is Convert for $99 per month, providing you 100 pages, 5 custom domains, and only 1 team member, while the second plan scale for $199 per month offers unlimited pages, 10 custom domains, and 10 team members. Last plan Maximize is for $299 per month, gives the premium experience with unlimited pages, custom domains, and team members. You can also pay annually with 25% and 33% discount relatively for each month. In conclusion, Convertri is an efficient funnel builder that has served thousands of businesses, offering convenience, speed, and customization. I hope you found this Convertri review helpful. The link to try out Convertri for free is in the description below. Thank you for watching.